Oh. Hello everybody, what is up? It has been a little while since I actually sat down and filmed, which is why I'm doing this today. A lot is going on in the world. In the midst of everything, I do have a haul for you guys. I don't know how it happened. I kind of lucked out. I ordered this a long time ago. I didn't end up doing anything with it until now, so don't really know how that happened. I'm not going to talk too much about everything that's going on because that's not what this video is about, but I just wanted to hop on and say that I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are safe. I hope your families are safe. I'm sending positive vibes out to all of you guys. But anyways, let's just get right into the video. So the last video that I did, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. The link is in the description. I'm actually wearing the earrings that I got in the last one. I had very mixed feelings about last time I ordered from them. I was very like, yes, no, kind of like it, kind of don't. But now I'm actually, after using some of the products for a bit, their jewelry is a hit or miss. I like some of the pieces better than others, like this. They are very cheap, so don't be buying them if you want them to be like a crazy good quality, but they do very well for a quick accessorizing piece to whatever outfit you're doing. The makeup, I don't use anything except the concealer that I got. It has been amazing. I literally use it every single day. I'm using it right now. I put a little bit on my hand and then I use the kabuki brush that I also got from the haul and I put it under my eyes around, and then I use the kabuki brush to go over my beauty blender, which is really, really cool. I also got some really cool ideas from you guys on what I should order next. So I'm hoping to do another order after this. I was just creeping on their website and they got a dry shampoo that I really want to try. If you have tried the dry shampoo, please let me know down below how it works because I'm about to order it. I just don't know how long it's going to take to get here with everything going on. So that's okay. Let's get into what I got today. So I already dug into this. Like I said, I've had it for a little bit. I haven't used anything in it. I just kind of looked at it. So what I got were a bunch of lipsticks and some accessories since I didn't really like the makeup last time. If I do order again, I'm going to get some more makeup. So there's that. I like that this packaging is green. The other one was pink. But take a thumbnail while I'm at it. Ooh. So let's first do jewelry and then we'll do makeup and then we'll do accessories. How does that sound? Good, 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 cool. All right, so the first thing that I got were these really cute earrings. I thought they were gonna be a lot smaller than they are, but I don't know. I also got them in gold. I forgot that I threw those somewhere else. I was gonna use them for a shoot and then I didn't end up using them, but these are so heavy. Like insanely heavy. I did not expect these to be, I thought they were gonna be more plasticky, but they're really, really heavy. But if you're into bigger hoops, they're a little bit thicker and I would recommend these if that's like your style. The next thing I got was this Gemini necklace. And if you guys know me, I'm really annoying about horoscopes. I love them. I think they're super fun. So I got this because I liked the texture of the necklace. Do I like the necklace? Not really. Let's see if I can show y'all. So it looks like this, and if you can tell at the top, the necklace itself is kind of like a twisted kind of material, and honestly, I might just use the necklace itself and take the Gemini thing off. If the Gemini sign was a little bit smaller, I would probably wear it a lot. So let's see if I can compare it this way, if that helps. So here's like this little K that I wear, and then here's the Gemini sign. It's really big and the rhinestones are really blingy, but for $1 I really like this chain. It's like a really good quality too. When I got on there, they had every sign, so go and check and see if they have your sign. I'm gonna link mine down below. Okay, so the last jewelry item I got were these earrings. They're like dangly triangles. I don't really know what made me get these, and I kind of have like a love-hate relationship with them. I think they're really fun. The rhinestones aren't really bulky. They're not heavy at all. Let's see if I can compare the sizing up to my ear. So they're not like super long, but they'll add a little bit to an outfit. So I'll probably wear these a lot to like fancier occasions. Yeah, I'm not really a silver person, but I've been buying a lot of silver jewelry lately. Have no idea where that came from. As I said in the last video, I was obsessed with their eyelashes. They were so freaking cute. So I ordered 2 more pairs. This one is it's like the Eyelashes. I know that's so bad. I literally cannot say it. But they look like this, and then I'll put the picture of what the model looked like wearing them on the screen. I thought these were really cute. And then these ones are not as like clustered. They're more like just huge, bougie, extra eyelashes. These are called Sean? I don't know. They're actually really cute. They both say natural and luxurious, but I don't think either of these are natural by any means, so highly recommend their eyelashes again. And then the one thing that I didn't try last haul was their lip colors and their lipsticks. So I got a metal one, a metallic one, and then a matte one. So this one's like a pretty pinkish metallic. I don't know, we're gonna see. I've never in my life owned a metallic lipstick, but since it was $1, we're gonna see what we can get. I wear matte lipsticks all the time. I'm wearing one now. I love them. So I usually use Kylie or NARS. So those are my 2 go-to mattes. So I'm gonna put the matte swatch first. Applicator's nice. It's not like super heavy. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but like sometimes when I use lipsticks, they like stick to the applicator really weird and then they just come out really weird. So yeah, that didn't make any sense, but it's fine. Oh, it literally came off inside of the tube. I don't even know what to do about that. Should I just like push it down and try it again? Oh my God, it's lost. It's gone. I don't even know what to do. Like, unless I get like another lipstick and use the applicator. Oh my God. Okay, y'all. I'm like scratching the side. Let's see if I can show you this. Come on. Okay, so I scratched the side of it and you can literally see through it. Like there's like no product in it at all. This is so frustrating. I really wanted to try this one. I wanted to try this one more than the other one. I mean, that's definitely what I get for ordering a $1 lipstick, but I'm really sad. Let's see if I can get any of it out. I literally can't get anything out. I'm literally so sad right now. Okay, so it took a minute to dry, but okay, let's see if I can sit this way. Yeah, so that actually looks really good. I'm not sad about that at all. It's not, I mean, it smudges a little bit, but for the most part, like it's a great matte and I would definitely buy these again. Not the metallic though, and I don't know if this happens often because they are both AOA. I have no idea, but that was really sad. So if I figure out what to do with this, I'll let you know. If you guys have any ideas on what I should do with it, let me know. I feel like I'm going freaking crazy from being locked in my house, so there's that. Okay, so last, let's get into the accessories, and these are kind of why I did this order. I came across this stuff and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna order it. So first of all, I ordered 3 scrunchies and they were each $1. I thought they were so freaking cute. These 2 are very similar. One's pink and one is yellow, and they just have little flower designs on them. They're really soft. I wonder, did I buy them together? No, I bought them each separately. So I got 2 of these, and then this one has a more like softer material. It's just a black polka dotted one. I love polka dots, so there's that. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it. And then, okay, so these are actually outside my comfort zone. I don't wear anything in my hair except for like a hat maybe. I really just wear it down most of the time. So I got 2 headbands that are like super trendy. I got them in black and navy blue. The navy blue is all they had left. I really wanted like the blush pink color, but you know, it's fine. I will settle with this. I thought they'd be perfect for work. I put too much mousse in my hair today. As you guys can see, it's way more fluffy than normal. I mean, that's cute. I'm here for it. I feel like with like a super cute outfit or like a little dress, it just adds like a very subtle pop of pearl in your hair. Yeah, okay, I don't hate it. What do you guys think? I don't know. I have no freaking idea. I don't ever wear things like this. But like, I'm really digging my hair today. Maybe I should make this my new like filming area. I'm literally sitting in my dining room. And then the other one I got is this like pearl and navy one. I think I like this one a little bit more because it has texture with this little tie. But like, that's so cute. Yay. I might put these in like my spring video clothing haul thing. I am filming one of those soon. I don't know when. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear these, especially with my hair like this. I mean, for $1, heck yeah. Especially if you have like 2-day hair and you wanna like pull it all back. And then the last thing that I got is another hair accessory. I got some little clips. Let's see. Oh, look, we got a visitor. Hey. This is Harley. She's my roommate's dog and she's like my second child. She always hangs out with me and Mia all the time. They love each other. It's so cute. Okay, anyways, back to the hair clips. So I wanted the one with the pink furry one, but I really, really wanted the pearl clip. Y'all know they're so in right now and I just had to be basic and get one. So let's see. You just pull back some hair and then clip it in there. I definitely think you could have done that a million times better, but I wanted to show you guys up close. What do you think? Do we like it? Do we not like it? I feel like if I styled it different, no, I feel like it has to be on this side. I don't know. I feel like it'd be cuter if I like pulled 2 pieces back and then put it in the back. So what do you guys think? Comment down below. Do you guys like this haul vid better than the last one? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will have the other video linked down below. If you guys want me to do a part 3, I will do it. Let me know, since the last one did so dang well. Anyways, have a great rest of your guys' day. Stay safe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.